may I invite Teresa Lalnunpuii, a sixth semester student from the Department of Sociology, to deliver a speech.
Good afternoon, Pachhunga University College. Respected Principal, Dr. Ton Enga. Distinguished guest, Member of Parliament, Mr. Ciro Sanga, faculty members, non-teaching staffs, and my fellow graduating students, the class of 2019. Well, class of 2019, we made it. We have survived 3 years of coping with the strenuous syllabus, the pressure of CAT, external examination, presentations, assignments, projects, lab report, or the 75% attendance rule. And I think all of us can take some pride in that. Together, we have accomplished and witnessed many remarkable things. Our class has bonded in the remembrance of the successful cultural festival, the Diamond Jubilee celebration, and the championship of PUC in MZU Inter-College Sports for 4 consecutive years, which is so far a record. We have also witnessed the listing of PUC among the best 150 colleges in India by the National Institutional Ranking Framework. All this would not have been possible without the help, support, and guidance of God, our principal, our teachers, coaches, administrative staffs, our parents, and the entire PUC community. To all these people, we, the class of 2019, say, our success is your success, for you have given us the knowledge to excel, the courage to dare, and the belief that we can succeed. And for that, we cannot thank you enough. Today, my dear batchmates, I know you are experiencing numerous worrying emotions. I also find myself on this podium as a personification of conflictedness. When does one feel happiness, sadness, excitement, anxiety, nostalgia, all at the same time? On grad dinner, obviously. 3 years ago, we, the class of 2019, who were once fresh-faced and naive teenagers who had just passed our higher secondary examination, chose Pachhunga University College for our alma mater. I still remember how we first started the chapter of our life here with simple hellos and roaming around the hallway over and over again until we finally found our classrooms. Dear batchmates, whether you are arts, science, or commerce students, look around you and see the faces of your peers. Perhaps you have spoken to each other, perhaps you haven't. But one thing is certain, we are all united in our identity as member of PUC community. PUC has been a second home to us for the last 3 years. PUC has given all of us a story of life we would remember for the rest of our lives. The title of the stories would be different for each of us because we are people with different qualities, interests, and capabilities. I bet some people would have their stories with titles like How I Met Your Mother in PUC, or The Art of Bunking Classes, or My Adventurous Ups and Downs in PUC. I'm a little sorry that I'm the one to give this speech because I was one of the boring students. But I can confidently say that PUC has impacted our lives in different ways. Not only did we gain education here, we've also gained beautiful relationships with friends and even the teachers. PUC helps us realize not only who we are, but also who we want to be. The professors we meet, other students, and the community members who guide us help us realize what parts of them we wish to cultivate in our own lives. PUC helps us grow as people. We have grown and matured together. But now, we are on the brink of a next chapter, a life outside our comfort zones and the warmth provided by PUC. I request the class of 2019 to reflect back on how you have lived during these 3 years in this college. Are you happy with the title of your story? Are you contented with how you've lived? What do you value most in life? What do you want to achieve in life? Our values in life may be different. The meaning we give to our lives may also be different. But I wish for all of us to live a story we are proud to tell our grandchildren. I wish we, the diamond batch, be a diamond in other people's lives. Just like our friend, Luzwala, of Sociology department, who gave his life for a friend on 14 December 2018. For Luzwala, the barometer of his life was not success, power, or wealth he sought for himself. But what he contributed to the lives of others. To me, that is the true value of life. It is not what we are born with that matters. It's what we choose to do with it. So, my dear batchmates, as we slip off into the future, I wish we appreciate the gift of life and not waste it. I wish we live a life we are proud of. I wish we make the best of our lives. And most importantly, I wish we evolve, move forward continuously towards a better self, and help create a better world, each in our own unique ways. Ahead of us is the next chapter. Ahead of us are the boundless possibilities of plot twists and turns. Ahead of us is life. Class of 2019, let's live it.
Thank you, Teresa, for the moving and passionate speech.